Hello, this is Joan of Art, Pasit, and people. Our word for today is about size. And um, by way of example, Pasit here is, she just harvested three bunches of saging banana. So size is big, medium, and small. In Ilonggo, big is dako, medium is hamay-hamay, and small is gamay. Again, gamay, small, medium, hamay-hamay, and big, dako. In Ilonggo, we are also fond of repeating certain words such as hamay-hamay, although I haven't heard of a single word hamay. So it's just hamay-hamay. But for example, let's use dako and gamay for our reduplication case. So when you say dako, dako, it means very big, literally big, big. So dako, dako. And notice the stress of the word dako, dako. That's very big, big, big. But when you change the stress of the word, when you say dako, dako, it means a little bit bigger than that size. So you can say dako, dako, da jutay. So it's a little bit bigger than that. But when you say dako, dako, gidna ya, so that's very, very big, or that's huge. And then when you say gamay, and you double the word gamay, as in gamay, gamay, it means very, very small. Small, small, very, very small. When you say gamay, gamay, so that's the stress. But when you change the stress of the word, like gamay, 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 gamay lang da, so it's a little bit smaller than that. So gamay, gamay, and then dako, dako, bigger, bigger, a little bit bigger. Gamay, gamay, a little bit smaller. So, I hope you learned something new again today about sizes, or ang kadakuon. So, the size of how big it is, kadakuon, and ang kagamayon, the size of how small it is. This is Joan of Art and Pasit, and I don't know where people is. See you again in our next video. Bye for now. Thanks.